In this Easy AI Printables review, I'm going to be showing you a course that's going to teach you how to use artificial intelligence in order to create content for all your marketing needs. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Easyaiprintables, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a bunch of extra bonuses here that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says stop publishing the hard way. These underground automation methods will have you publishing in-demand content people buy over and over again 20 times faster with less effort. This is perfect for those who want a rinse and repeat income stream, publish once and sell again and again. So this is put out by Amy here, Amy Harp. She's been doing this kind of niche here, these kind of printables for years now. I remember interviewing her years ago about this concept, and she talks in this about how you can use like AI, artificial intelligence, to put out content here to make money with this. You can see here, Michelle used her passion for real estate to make over six figures. Dawn here has made over $7,000 with one product. Artie Mays has made over 100,000 sales. Over 79,000 people have favorited Milky Print shop here. And you're able to do this kind of thing without having to have some long learning curve. You can use the step-by-step videos, over-the-shoulder videos, cheat sheets, spreadsheets, templates, all done for you, so you know exactly what you're doing if you want to be able to create this content here and be able to sell this content online. They've got a bunch of frequently asked questions. What is it? It reviews how to create high quality content with AI tools with a focus on freely available tools and freemium options. With these sources and strategies, you can be churning out a ton of powerful content that gets results in absolutely no time. And they talk about where you can sell them, like Etsy, Amazon, teachers, pay teachers, your own site, much more, how the training is delivered. It's training tutorials and templates are all available inside the members area. I'm going to show you that in a second here, etc., etc. I'm not going to go over everything here. It's all going to be for a low one-time price, depending upon when you check this out. Of course, during the launch period, it's going to be lower. What I'm going to do now is play you a quick little video from Amy telling you a little bit more about this, and I'll be back to show you the backend area and the OTOs.
Hi, Amy here, and today I want to let you in on a secret. Right now, there is a massive shift with content creation, and you don't want to miss out. I'm actually talking about being able to triple your content productivity in at least half the time it would normally take you to complete the same level of content. So we're talking about being able to create and publish content that sells faster and easier. And so you may be wondering what this secret is. Well, it's artificial intelligence, or AI. And what used to be science fiction is now reality. Many companies and corporations are now using AI, and it's actually reimagining the way people create content. And what's great about AI is a lot of these tools are available for you and me, everyday publishers, and people who want to make extra money online with publishing content. So you can leverage the power of automation right now. As I mentioned, AI is huge. It's actually going to be a 190 billion industry by 2025. And this is a great time to leverage these AI tools so you can create in-demand printables and low content products like journals and planners faster and easier. So I have a brand new solution for you. It's called Easyaiprintables, and it reveals how to create these popular printables that sell faster and easier with AI tools. Not only do I share the best tools available right now, I give you step-by-step training on how to create journals, worksheets, and other types of popular printables. I even include done-for-you templates so you can get started right away, and much more. So check out the details below so you can get started right now.
Okay, once you purchase, you'll have access to the backend download area here where they have all your bonuses, your Easy AI Printables ebook, the videos, the templates, all easy to access online in this digital database here. Now, there are three different OTOs here. So the first one here says, how would you like to create in-demand printables even faster with done-for-you content and insider training? So this is an optional upgrade here for anyone that wants to pick this up, have it more of a done-for-you version with this one. The next one here says, discover how to turn simple content into multiple publishing streams fast. So you can learn how to actually monetize this content if you want to pick this one up as well. It's an optional upgrade for this one. And the last one here is grab this exclusively curated bundle of Amy's top trainings, tips, templates, strategies, and more at a massive discount. So you can get a bunch of her products here for a discounted price. Now, all these different OTOs are completely optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. So what do I like about Easy AI Printables and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, I actually don't like the marketing behind it. I think that these kind of things, I think Amy's does a very good job in her trainings and in what she does, but the marketing isn't very well polished, and the fact that it's not super hypey. And I say that maybe some people actually like that, but the reason why that's a negative for me is I don't think it portrays the true value that's behind all this. So don't let that stop you. If you're interested in this, don't let that kind of older look at this turn you away. What do I like about this? It's a high quality training from someone that's actually doing this. Amy's been doing this for years. I've known her for years. If you're looking to learn from someone that's actually doing something and you want to take it and actually make it your own, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Easy AI Printables, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really does help out on the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.